It is Friday, happy Friday, and welcome back to my channel, guys. So today, first of all, sorry, my hair is a little bit messy. I just came back from walking. Today we are getting into Kylie Cosmetics. I bought the Kris mini lip set, which just arrived, literally. Yesterday we went to go see Solo, which is getting mixed reviews, but honestly, guys, I really liked Solo. It wasn't the first Star Wars. It wasn't, any of the other ones. It was good. I liked it. I didn't have anything wrong with it. I just thought I'd say that because it's getting so many different reviews, but if you go into it not trying to, I guess, hit the bat out the park or hit the ball out the park, and you recognize that it's just a Star Wars movie and it's not the first time you're ever seeing Star Wars, like the first three, then you won't be disappointed. Just a side note, I don't know. I guess people want that magic every time, and I get that, but I thought it was good. So anyway, let's get into the Kris Jenner collection. I saw the lipsticks on Instagram and I was like, oh, those are cute colors. So I got it. I didn't get any of the other stuff because you guys know I'm still working on my KKW Mario palette. So palettes are I'm still trying to do good at that. So it says Kylie crossed out Kris Jenner. I like that. That's really her. It says there's nothing greater than a mother's love, except maybe this collection. This collaboration is filled with light, love, and joy. I hope you enjoy it as much as we do. XO Kris. That's cute. Family that sticks together, definitely. And they're minis, so it's really cute. And it says Momager. It is a matte black sliding thing, and I said sliding thing. And yeah, she's the mom, so it's very I think this is her floor in her house, and I think it's cute. Yeah, I think it's cute. You guys know I like a good foundation, and I'm really liking a good lip gloss, lipstick, matte lip. I'm really into the lips. So this is what it looks like, and it's all matte black, and it says Kris Jenner. And I think it's classy. I think it's cool. And the colors are That's Wild, Boss, Middle Finger, Overwhelmed, Too Blessed, This Is Everything, Driving Me Crazy, and Really? I feel like that's how it's being said with the question marks. Okay, well, let's try them out, guys. Okay, so it says the limited edition Kris collection mini kit is the perfect way to take your favorite lipsticks to go. So yes, this will fit. You guys know I'm all about Disney right now. This will fit in my little Disney purse or whatever. Trying not to carry a purse to Disney though, like even a crossbody. But if I do, yes, this will fit. Favorite lipsticks to go. Each kit comes with 8 mini sizes of Kris's favorite shades. You get 4 velvet lipsticks, 3 glosses, and 1 matte lipstick, and they're all 0.02 fluid ounces. That's Wild. Let's put this on the lips. You know, it's a true red. I really like minis because it gives me an idea of if I want to buy the full size. So, oh, that's gorgeous. That is not too dark. It's not too bright. I like that she called it a true red. Oh my gosh, that's so pretty, guys. Oh my gosh. The formula is nice. Yeah, this is her velvet lipsticks. Oh my gosh. I don't want to take this off. This is so pretty. It's not drying or nothing like that. So it's still drying down though. But it's pretty. Are these long lasting? So it says Okay, the Velvet Liquid Lipstick has high intensity pigment for a full coverage lip. This long wearing, so it is long wearing, contains moisturizing ingredients that glide on for a luxurious and creamy matte look that, oh, it does not dry down. Okay, so let me see. This will still transfer, you guys. The Velvet Lipsticks transfer, which I'm okay with that. It's just pretty. It's really pretty, and it went on beautifully. So let me take this off, and then we'll try on the next one. All right, guys, next we're going to do Boss. And let's put this on. This looks like a not as a deep red, a brighter red. I like the fact, I will say with her Velvet lipsticks, they're long wearing, but they're not as long wearing. They do transfer, but it's easier to take off when I'm doing this trying on session. I will say I didn't talk about the wand. The wand is small, and it is the same. It's just a smaller version of the Kylie, wand that you use when, I wouldn't even say it's a smaller version. I think it's the same size, probably. Okay, so this is a brighter red, but reds always make your teeth look whiter because of the blue undertone, and I love that. So it's this one. And let me take this off, and let's try on the next one. All right, the next one is Middle Finger. Okay, Tangerine Red. They'd say this is like a tangerine red. If you guys can see it. Yeah. I like the fact that her name is see-through, so you can see how much you have left in the bottle, which is kind of nice. It's orange. It's definitely orange. Summer color, sundress. Oh, I just got, this is so sad, guys, that in the middle of my video, I don't have my information up, but Disney Destinations just sent me an email and it said, special offer, and I'm taking a moment in my video to look at what Disney sent me. This is terrible. Yeah. Okay, I can't use that deal, but still, I love getting emails from Disney. All right. Yeah. I'm starting to feel better about these colors that may be a little outside of me. Let's try on the next one. All right, guys, there's 8 of them. We're on the 4th one called Overwhelmed. Sometimes you can just feel overwhelmed. And it's a deepened, cool rosewood. It's pretty. Let's try it on. This is different. It is a purple and it doesn't blend in. I just realized I just bought a pale pink dress and I realized that pale pink just kind of blends into my skin tone and it doesn't actually look right on me by itself, that I have to actually add something to it so that it just doesn't wash me out. I'm not saying this does that. That was just a side note. But okay, let's go to the next one, shall we? All right, let's go to Too Blessed. These are still all velvets, you guys. This is a warm pink rose, they say. All right, let's try it on. It looks kind of, what would I call it? Kind of a purplish pink. Has a purplish, lighter purplish undertone on me. Let's go to the next one. Okay, guys, I'm back. So I'm sorry, Boss was matte. That was the only one that was matte. The other ones were velvet, and now we're getting into the glosses, the 3 glosses. Let's see. We're going to, this is Everything. It's a soft, warm peach. right there. It's real sheer and it's a soft, warm peach. Let's put this on. Probably should have started with the glosses, because this is probably not the color because I've been putting and taking on off darker lipsticks, but I like it. It's pretty. It's soft. It's really soft. Yeah, it's more of a sheer type of nude. I like that. Let's put on the next one. All right, Driving Me Crazy. Another gloss. Yeah. The gloss isn't sticky though. You see. It will stick to your hair though. Like other glosses, but it doesn't feel tacky. That's what I mean. And you can put these over some of the lipsticks from what I hear. She said, okay, I will wear that. Yeah, that's pretty. It's actually really pretty. I like it. We're on the last one. Let me take this off and put on the last one. I know what you're thinking. Really? The last one? Well, it just so happens the last one is really. I just like saying that. It is a creamy beige nude. I also wouldn't mind the other Kylie one for the lip gloss. Like, it didn't necessarily have to have the brush type of thing. But that's pretty. That's pretty. I like that. I like that. So these are all of the colors with the swatches. And let's put on a color and one of the lip glosses to see how it looks. How about that? Okay, you guys know I'm loving that True Red called That's Wild. So let's put that on. This is red, and I'm gonna mix it with the This Is Everything. So it gave it kind of an iridescent, glossy type of feel. And yes, it did transfer on this because this is a long wearing lipstick or lipstick, but it is not like the matte, like the Boss, like, you know, her matte lip kits are ultra long wearing and, you know, that sort of thing. But yeah, I like that. I like that. I personally, guys, I really like the colors and I like the formulas and I think it is pretty. And I will be wearing these. You will see me wearing these. And the ones that I would probably purchase full size in, I like all the glosses. I love this True Red. You know that. I like the Boss. I would wear this. So That's Wild is the True Red. Boss is the Soft Cherry. I would also purchase the, what is this called? The Too Blessed, because I feel myself putting my hair in a ponytail, teasing it, curly or straight, and having a little jam moment, you know, because I feel truly outrageous. So, yeah. So these are all of them, guys. I hope it helped you decide on if it's something you want to purchase or not. I like them, and I have 8 of these minis, which I think are gonna last me quite a bit. And yeah, the glosses you can put on top to make it shimmery and shiny. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Have a wonderful weekend, and I will see you guys next time. Okay, bye. Yeah, this is really pretty. Yes. Yes.